Hi guys, welcome back to the SO series. So some of you want to start your own YouTube channel or your own TV show but don't know where to shoot it from or have a problem with location. Maybe you've contacted some restaurants or some bars or maybe some spots that you really like, or you already have an idea of what you want your set to be like, but you don't have that spot available to you at the moment. And the bars and the restaurants or the spots that you've contacted, they're telling you that they'll get back to you and you're still waiting for their response. Or maybe they're saying they'll charge you, or that you have to buy food or drinks at a certain amount to be able to shoot at the spot. And you can't afford that. You can't be paying all the restaurants and be shooting in different places all the time, right? But you're still slowing and waiting and saying, oh, I can't start my show yet. I can't start recording yet. I'm looking for the perfect location. I'm looking for the perfect... Those are all excuses. Excuses upon excuses. And I say excuses because it's exactly what it is. You can shoot from the comfort of your bedroom, from the comfort of your living room, from even your kitchen, and you can shoot from anywhere. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys where I've been shooting from, or where I've been shooting the SO series from, the equipment that I use, and the things that you might need. You might not necessarily have to buy all this equipment, but you can start from somewhere to build and to grow your channel. When I started shooting the SO series, the first episode I did, which was the AMVCS 2017 review, it was shot like somewhere in the corner of my house. I just set up my camera and I set up a couch and I started recording from there. So when I started doing the business sense side of it, that's when I decided to start shooting from this other area. So in terms of location, you can decide to set up like two different types of backgrounds. You can set up a studio set kind of background where you can have a plain background, or you can buy like fabrics or different types of fabrics and just lay them out on your background. Or you can buy, or you can shoot in an angle like what I'm doing or where I'm shooting from at the moment. This is my favorite because it's kind of like where we work from, where we eat from, where we do all the work, and I have like the mini cupboard here and I have like little things around them as well, and I have my table, then I have you can see like the rack at the back where I hang like the Recana pieces, and sometimes when I have a shoot I hang the pieces there as well. Like it's just like a corner, one of my favorite corners. I love it because it's like it has two of my favorite colors, black and yellow. Meanwhile, you don't have to go anywhere extra to buy something or buy anything fancy. In Lagos, you can buy the little things and turn it into something great. Like the things that I bought at the Ipori market, and I've been able to create, add stones, one stone to another stone into a glass table. I mean, like just let your creative juice flow into creating something that can turn from cheap to something really wow. Like I mentioned earlier, you don't have to buy expensive props. Maybe your brand is about luxury. Yes, you can now look forward to buying luxury stuff and then you can afford it because your brand is luxury. But for me, I feel like the cheaper, the less you have, the more creative you should be. So in terms of props, I got like, you see like pebbles, or you see stones, flowers, and then you can see there's a truck that I bought from from Takwa Bay Beach. I just placed that as well. That truck was like about 800 naira as well. Then you can find Stay Focused, my daily mantra board, and then some books around. We all have books around in our houses. You can't tell me you don't have books. It's just about how you arrange them. I have books, flowers, pencils, some of my camera equipment. Yeah, and then at the back you can see like I have pencils and a bit of flower pots. So you need a bit of props to just make it more interesting. Because of what I do, I decided to use a setup that says fashion. The third thing that you need is lighting. So when I first started, by the way, I wasn't the one shooting. I used to have some guys that I used to collaborate with. So they used to bring like their lights, and it was proper lighting. But when I started shooting, I decided to start shooting my videos myself, which was this 2018. I started shooting my videos myself. The first thing I did was I got a ring light, because I noticed that a ring light kind of like goes around and can brighten up everywhere that's around. So I use a ring light which the camera is set up on, and it's set up under a camera holder. And then on my left or little here, I have a mini light, a light that kind of like brightens from the bottom as well. So you want a situation where if I've lit up all of this place, you want light to also light up my neck or my body from the bottom side. So it's not just lighting up here as well. And I have the second one up there and the third one here. And then I have a light box at the back. A light box pretty much just softens a light soft box pretty much just softens the whole light that I want around, so it is not like everything's not just in your face like boom. I've been buying like little equipment since I was working with Spice TV as a producer. So if I just found myself, because I knew this was what I wanted to do, I found myself saving and putting my money where I thought would be useful for me today. So that's what I've been shooting with. But for me, like, I feel like I said already, you don't have to buy all of these things to start shooting. In terms of lighting, what you can do is you can just open your window, sit in front of a window or a bright window, set your camera in front or set your phone in front, and shoot from there. Listen, people don't really care about like the lighting. It's good to have quality images or quality video. It's good for your videos to be visual appealing, but you don't have to break the bank for you to be able to start shooting. I like daylight, but like sometimes because I have to shoot at night as well, I also like have to use the light. Before I started blogging fully, the first camera that I got was a Canon 60D. So I started working with Canon 60D because I was doing TV production, and my passion then was to do more TV content. I didn't really need to get a 60D because the Canon G7X can shoot perfectly. It's perfect, the quality is perfect. It was the best investment I made in 2018. You can record directly to the camera and it's recording audio like I'm doing at the moment. With the 60D, I had to buy a mini microphone which I placed on top of the camera as well. So it's been kind of like, you know, why did I actually bother when the G7X does everything for me? Like that's what most vloggers are using at the moment. Listen, like I said already, you don't have to break the bank. You don't have to kill yourself because you want to buy all the right equipment to start shooting. If you have the right idea, if you believe in your idea, you're sure that your idea is something that people would love to watch, is entertaining, listen, you can still shoot your videos, and you can still put your videos not just on YouTube as well. Like I said, videos are everywhere, it's on different platforms. So you can shoot with whatever you want to shoot with. You can shoot with your camera or talk to your phone directly. People are more interested in the content than the lighting as well. Lighting makes it good, but that's not all it's all about. Guys, there you have it. I hope I've been able to share enough of what I work with and how I go about shooting my videos. And I hope that you're going to start killing it with yours as well. Don't wait for the big equipment to start doing what you need to do. Share the comments box below what you're using to shoot at the moment. What are you editing with? How are you going about your YouTube vlog? Share your link as well. And what would you like to know in terms of how to improve your vlog? Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment box below. And don't forget, remember to rise, play, grind, and shine.